Today's daily dose of math is about a special relationship that exists between the shortest side and the hypotenuse in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And that relationship is described here. This is a rule. In a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the hypotenuse is always twice as long as the shortest side. This is convenient. It helps us to answer questions in geometry. In fact, I can use it to answer all three of these questions. In this triangle, we are looking for the length of the hypotenuse. We know we have a right triangle, and we know we have a 30-degree angle. Since the three angles in a triangle have to add up to 180, by subtraction that means this angle has to be a 60 degree. Then we know that the shortest side is 10 units in length, and we're being asked for the length of the hypotenuse. It will be 20 units. And my justification for giving this answer is right here. I can write down this rule and I have justified my answer. In this second example, this time, again we have a right triangle. We can see that we have a 90 degree and we can see that we have a 60. By subtraction, it means the third angle has to be a 30. We have a 30, 60, 90 right triangle again. This time we know the length of the hypotenuse. The rule still applies. The hypotenuse is twice as long as the short side. Therefore, 16 is twice as long as 8. I know this side is 8 units in length. My justification, this rule right here, which I have to write down. And then in this triangle, we're not being asked for a side length. We know the shortest side is 5. We know the hypotenuse is 10. We know that we have a 90-degree angle. If in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the shortest side has to be half the length of the hypotenuse, then this situation, we have a hypotenuse that is twice the length of the shortest side. That means this must be 30, 60, 90. And the 30-degree angle has to be opposite the shortest side. Therefore, this angle theta that is being asked for has to be the 60-degree angle. My justification, this rule. This rule is extremely useful in geometry, and there's more to it than that. There is more to the 30, 60, 90 right triangle than this relationship where the hypotenuse is twice the length of the shortest side. But for this video, all I'm focusing on is this relationship and how you can use it to answer questions in geometry, and remember, justify your answers. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.